Tough times can be a blessing in disguise, but when you're going through them, sometimes what you really need is to know how you can thrive. Here are 11 tips to help you thrive in tough times. 1. You are not what is happening. No matter how chaotic things are, they do not define you. Your past does not define you. You are defined by what you think about yourself. What happened yesterday does not matter. What happens today does not matter. You matter. Tomorrow is always fresh, with no mistakes in it. Lucy Maud Montgomery. 2. Focus on what you have. Forget about what you don't have. Forget about what isn't going right. Focus on what you have. Focus on the good things in your life and you will draw more good things to you. 3. Fall together. As your energy vibration changes, life around you shifts to match your vibration. Sometimes every appliance has to break at once for you to move to the next level. Sometimes you have to go through tough times to make room for what you want. Here's a little secret: things aren't falling apart. They're falling together so you can manifest something better. 4. Let the emotions out. It's okay to cry, scream and yell. You don't have to pretend to be strong. You don't have to worry about what other people think. The sooner you let the emotions out, the sooner you will be able to smile again. 5. Reach for better thoughts. Feeling good and focusing on what you want are important elements in the law of attraction. To thrive in tough times, reach for thoughts that feel better, even if it's just a little better. Keep climbing up the ladder of better thoughts. 6. Success is closer than you think. The law of attraction can't be rushed. The law of attraction takes as long as it needs, and as long as you need. You might think you need money, love, or X right now, but the law of attraction knows you need it when the time is right. The law of attraction is always working, even if you can't see it. 7. Worrying is a waste of time. It isn't going to get you anywhere. It's only going to make you stressed and tired. You're better off doing something else with your time. 8. You always have a choice. No matter what is going on, you have two options. Things do not have to continue as they are. You do not have only one path. You can choose how you want things to be. If you want something different, choose something different. 9. Ask for help. You are not alone. If things are really dark, ask for help. Ask a person. Ask God. Ask the universe. Do not try to do this alone. Get the help you need. 10. Laugh. They say laughter is the best medicine, and it really is. Laughter changes everything about you: how you carry yourself, how you stand, how you feel, how you look. When you can laugh in the face of adversity, nothing can stand in your way. 11. Visualize your success. Imagine how you want things to be. Visualize it happening. Make it real. Your success will come. Most of all, remember that you can thrive even when times are tough.